Hello, my name is Andres Hernandez. I'm here with how to do a manual update on an Xbox One S. This is compatible with all versions of the Xbox One under all digital, Xbox One S, and Xbox One X. What we're doing here is that we have a console with a corrupted file that's not allowing it to automatically process the update through the wireless or wired connection to this console. So because of that, this console is essentially bricked. This model was actually sold at a steep discount because of the corrupted file. Our material needed today will be a laptop or PC with internet connection, a USB stick, preferably at least 6 gigabytes, and will need to be formatted to NTFS. Here we'll be using this link to download the system UI file and save to the desktop. As you can see here, I already have it downloading. Next, we'll take this USB stick, place it directly into the slot, but never on the first try. There we go. Now we'll scroll down, locate our device, right click, go out to format, and right here you see that we'll actually need to transfer this device to NTFS. It's already in NTF, but most USBs come pre-installed at exFAT or FAT32. Go ahead and do a quick format. It reminds you that all your information will be erased. And it's done. That's simple. Sometimes it may take longer depending on how much information you have. And now you have a fully formatted, fresh USB. Reminder that you should have nothing on the device. It should only be this system update. Now we'll come to the console. In your console, we're actually going to need to make sure that all power is turned off from the device, and then find the wall outlet. Make sure to disconnect and take all power away from the console. I'm just going to hit the switch, and now you wait 30 to 60 seconds. Turn on the device, and now we'll make our way back to the laptop. Here our download is ready, and we'll open up the file where it's located. We can double click and verify that all the information is here. Here's a sub file, system update, and if you open, you can see all the file information is there. Unfortunately, this is a zip, so we're gonna have to actually unzip this file, extract all, and we're actually gonna extract it directly towards our device. We'll scroll down here, find our device, select. As you can see, there it is. You can do the properties just to verify. And this is the NTFS USB drive that we just formatted. As you can see, I have a 58 gigabytes. Well, our only requirement is 6 gigabytes, so we're well in that area. Make sure you select your folder and extract it to your device. All right, we're all set. And as you can see, our device is done. It's on our list. And our system update is ready. Verify all the information is in there. Exit out. You can scroll up here to eject. And you can safely remove your device when you are notified. And you can go ahead and pull it out. Next, we'll be moving to the console. As you can see here, the console actually has a eject button, and located under the large Xbox power on button is a sync button. You're gonna long press both of those buttons and then press the power button for the Xbox console. You should initially hear a turn on chime. And then you should actually hear a second one. As you see, now we're booted into the troubleshoot menu for the Xbox One S. There's options are continue, reset Xbox, turn off the Xbox, and we're not able to access the offline system update. As it says, update this Xbox using a USB device. Visit the xbox.com Xbox One offline update for more information. We already have all that. So now we're going to place this USB drive directly into the front of the console. Like so. Make sure it gets a sturdy fit so you don't lose connection. And now you should see that this option is actually activated for us. It recognizes the device and is ready to read any information that's located on it. We're going to go ahead and use this remote. Select the offline system update. And now we're successfully starting the update. Previously, we wouldn't be able to even pull this update or get to this portion. Now, the system reboots several times during this process. So don't be discouraged. We're almost there. And there you go. It's all booted up, and now your bricked Xbox One console is now ready for any and all media and games that you need. Thank you again for listening. I hope this helps anybody who's having unfortunate circumstances with their console, or maybe you were like me and came across a great deal and was able to take advantage of it. Thank you again.